Hi, I am Nipa Banerjee from Artspace India. I am talking on behalf of Expert Village. Now I am talking about pottery flower pots, different designs. There are different designs. One is with me. This is making through dice. This is not on wheel, this is on dice. And this is stoneware because it is little whitish in color. And after baking the same thing, the flowers has come little reddish. If we put different types of colors, glazings on it, the final product is this one. This is the final flower pot, and this is the color of blue. The shades are different only. The lower portion is little darker and the upper portion is lighter. Now I can tell you from one shape how we can make the different shapes. See, this is the shape, and if we cut from our upper portion, this is like that. And if we put a bowl, just upper portion of these flowers, we are making another one. You can make different types of flowers in that manner. And we have some more designs in earthenware and stoneware both. This is the design in earthenware and this is in stoneware. And this is the final product of the same thing. Thank you.